This is not just a cricketer's story, this is the journey of passion, pain, and unstoppable determination. From the streets of Delhi to becoming one of the greatest players in the world, this is Virat Kohli. Born in 1988 in Delhi, Virat Kohli discovered his love for cricket at a very young age. Like many young dreamers, he started playing in the streets, but what made him different was his hunger to improve every single day. His father played a crucial role in shaping his discipline, ensuring he trained hard and stayed focused on his goal. But the journey was never easy. Long practice sessions, tough competition, and constant pressure tested his commitment. Yet, Kohli's determination never faded. In 2006, his life changed forever when he lost his father. It was one of the toughest moments of his life. But what he did next defined his character. He returned to the field the very next day and played a crucial match. That moment showed the world his mental strength and dedication to the game. Just 2 years later, in 2008, he led India to victory in the UNDR-19 World Cup. This was his breakthrough moment, where the world began to notice his talent and leadership. Soon after, he made his debut for the Indian national team. The early days were challenging, but his aggressive mindset and confidence helped him stand out. Slowly, he started building his place in the team. Over the years, Kohli transformed into one of the most reliable and consistent batsmen in world cricket. His ability to chase targets, his fitness levels, and his fearless attitude made him a match winner in every format of cricket. In 2011, he was part of the Indian team that won the Cricket World Cup. A dream for every cricketer, that victory marked the beginning of a new era in his career. As he grew, so did his responsibilities. Taking over as captain, Kohli brought a new level of intensity and aggression to the Indian team. He emphasized fitness, discipline, and a winning mindset, leading India to dominate in international cricket. With thousands of international runs and numerous centuries, Kohli established himself as one of the greatest batsmen of all time. His records speak for his consistency, but his passion defines his legacy. But even legends face difficult times. There was a phase when Kohli struggled with form, facing criticism and pressure from all directions. It was a test of patience and belief. And just when doubts started to rise, he made a powerful comeback, stronger, sharper, and more determined than ever. That's what separates champions from the rest. They never give up. Off the field, Kohli found balance in his personal life, embracing a calmer and more grounded version of himself. His journey reflects not just success, but growth as a person. Today, Virat Kohli is more than just a cricketer. He is an emotion for millions, an inspiration for young athletes, and a symbol of passion and hard work. From the heart of India, a legend rises. Over 25,000 international runs, more than 75 international centuries, 500 PL US matches conquered. In ODIs, 13,000 plus runs at an average of 55 PL US, Tests, 8,500 plus runs with 29 PL US hundreds, T20, IS, 4,000 plus runs, IPL, 7,000 plus runs. The fastest ever to 8,000, 9,000 and 10,000 ODI runs. ICC Awards winner. One of the greatest of all time. From a young boy with a dream to a global icon, his journey reminds us that greatness is not given, it is earned. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Playlearn Planet for more